This is an illustrative video demonstrating the uses and techniques for waterline replacement and installation using the PE-10. Please follow all OSHA guidelines when working on actual job sites. In this video, we will go over the process of rod pushing an old water service line and pulling a new service line back from a residential basement. The new water service line starts in the basement and will be pulled back to the water main. The PE-10 rod locking mechanism does not require hydraulics for operation, simplifying the rod locking process. When operating in soft soil conditions, a rod pushing rate of up to 13 feet per minute is possible. As the old service line gets pushed out from the existing route, a metal saw cutter can be used to cut the old service line into smaller pieces for removal. Once the old service line has been fully extracted, the piloted head is then removed and the pullback eyelet is attached to the rod. An inner duct puller is attached to the new water service line and connected to the pullback eyelet. The PE-10 is then used to pull the new service line back through the old route. During the pullback process, bracing is switched to the front of the PE-10 due to pulling pressure in the opposite direction. When the process of pulling back the new water service line is completed, the pullback eyelet and inner duct puller are removed, and the new service line is ready to be connected to the water main.